Jeff Keenan here. I just got the new Rivian update 2023.18.0. One of the big things they added in this update is the ability to open the gear tunnel doors through the app. So it'll unlatch the gear tunnel door and then you have to pull it open by hand as usual. Another nice thing they added was scheduled charging, so you can tell at what time you want to start charging. You'll have to update your app for this and the gear tunnel. I don't know who uses Yelp anymore, but they added the ability to send a location from Yelp to the Rivian directly, and then it'll start navigating as soon as you get in the car. I think Rivian's against using Google point of interest, so Yelp works just fine. Also an update to car wash mode that shuts the charge port door if it was open, and a bunch of other small improvements that you really won't notice. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.